I'm really glad that I went straight from undergrad to doing a PhD. You learn a lot of practical skills. It's a really collaborative environment that really makes sure your research is the best it can be.
Poppy, take one.
Hi, my name is Poppy. I'm a first year PhD student studying cancer immunology in the CRUK Manchester Institute. I'm looking at how glucocorticoids affect the immune response to tumours, and these are drugs that are really widely prescribed to a lot of people, and it's a bit unclear about whether they help or detriment tumour progression. So the aim of my PhD would be to see if there's subsets of patients that could benefit from glucocorticoids and those that would not respond as well. So before my PhD, I was doing a Bachelor of Arts in Biomedical Sciences at the University of Oxford. And then from that, I was deciding whether to apply to Masters or PhDs and decided just to go for PhDs. Living in Manchester is really fun. There's a lot of things to cover, basically any interest you have. When I moved to Manchester, I started doing climbing, which I've never done before. And there's a massive Manchester University Climbing Society where if you want to go climb with someone, there's always somebody available. So the University of Manchester has a really good reputation for research, particularly in immunology, which is what I was interested in. It also has some really, really good facilities. So I work in the Patterson building, which is part of Cancer Research UK Manchester Institute. You've got a lot of core facilities that do things like mass spectroscopy. You've got lots of different imaging equipment, and you've got experts in each of those fields that can help teach you and train you up to use all of the equipment yourself. So it really makes sure that your research is the best quality it could be. Once you've decided that you want to do a PhD and are working out how to apply, I would look into the labs you think you're interested in, read the papers that they've published so you get an idea of what kind of research they do, get a background on the field. If you can, talk to the supervisors or PhD students in the lab to get a vibe of what working in that lab would be like, because you're going to be spending the next 4 years with these people, so you want to get to know them. So a PhD does have a lot of challenges. I think the main one that I felt was imposter syndrome, because I came straight from undergrad to PhD and so felt like I didn't have as much lab experience as maybe some other people did. But having talked to other PhD students, it seems that everyone comes in with some kind of imposter syndrome, but if you've got your place, then you do deserve to be here and you just got to have confidence in that.